Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put print area in Excel to fit on one page. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here some data to this spreadsheet. Now we want to set the print area fit on one page. At first, go to the page layout menu. Select the size drop down menu. You can choose any size. Now I am select the letter size. Then select your print area. Now I am select this area and select the print area drop down menu and choose set print area option. Then go to the file menu, click the print option and see the print preview. We can see here the print preview. Here available the data and fit on one page and print on the one page. You can print this page, click this print option. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.